Hello, my name is Dave Wells. I'm the Education Director at eLearning Curve, and in that role I look at a lot of different skills that people need and try to drive us toward courses that help to develop those skills. One of the areas that I'm particularly interested in is data visualization. Data visualization is right at the heart of analytics. It's the thing that lets us take large volumes of complex data and make it understandable and be able to analyze it effectively. We misunderstand sometimes data visualization. We think of it as the creating of charts and graphs, and most of us have learned how to create charts and graphs quickly with just a few quick clicks in Excel. But that doesn't mean we create good and effective charts and graphs. So we need to understand data visualization as a language. Just as words are a language, we learn to read and write in school. We learn to speak and listen in school. Those are the language of words. Visualization is also a language, but it's the language of images. Unfortunately, schools teach the language of words with greater discipline than they do the language of images. Many schools treat images as art and perceive it as a fluff class. So we need two kinds of data visualization skills. We need the skills to create visuals, the equivalent of writing, and we need the skills to understand those visuals, the equivalent of reading. For this discussion, I want to focus on reading. When most people look at a chart or a graph, their eyes go right straight to the colors, shapes, and lines in the center of the graph, and they try to interpret it without context. It is better to get context first. Examine the graph title. Examine the axes. Look at the scales, look at the units, look at the legend. Ask about the data. What data is represented and where did it come from? This will cause you to look at the core of the graph differently and in a better informed way. Anyone working in analytics should hone their skills in reading data visuals. And anyone who develops skills to read data visuals will become a better creator of data visuals by understanding through the eyes of the reader.